Today we're talking about 20 types of igneous rock. Let's get into it. Number 1. Andesite. Andesite is extrusive. It's basically a composition somewhere in between basalt and rhyolite rocks. It gets its name because it has been derived from the Andes mountain range in South America, and is quite common in that area. Andesite is also comparable to diorite because it is the volcanic equivalent of diorite. Andesite is almost as hard as granite. Number 2. Basalt. This is a fine-grained and dark-colored form of igneous rock. It mostly takes the form of an extrusive rock. However, there are instances where basalt rocks also take the form of small intrusive rocks. A few such examples are thin sill and igneous dike. This is one of the most abundantly found igneous rocks. Almost the entire basins of the oceans are made up of basalt rocks. It is also used for road constructions, concrete aggregate, building veneers, stone objects and monuments. Number 3. Dacite. This is an intermediate rock between andesite and rhyolite. It is a fine-grained rock and in most cases it is light in color. It is often mistaken, and associated with andesite. It is known to form dikes, lava flows, and may also form large-sized intrusions amongst old volcanoes. It is used as a crushed stone. It performs extremely well as a loose aggregate and is regularly used in a number of construction projects. This is perhaps because it is rich in silica content, and therefore it reacts proactively and positively with cement. Number 4. Diorite. Diorite can be found easily and is mostly composed of silicate minerals of different types. Its chemical composition is somewhere in between felsic granite and mafic gabbro. When this rock is found near the surface, it is mined and used as crushed stone. It has impressive durability and compares favorably with granite rock. Some of its other uses include base rock for the construction of buildings, roads and parking areas. It also is most commonly used as drainage stone for the purposes of drainage control. Number 5. Gabbro. Gabbro rock is easily identifiable because of its dark color and coarse-grained type of rock. It's an intrusive rock. Though it has many hues to it, most of the time it is dark green or black color. It is mostly made up of minerals like oite and plagioclase. It also happens to be one of the most commonly and abundantly found rock in the Earth's crust deep inside the ocean. This rock is closely related to basalt. The main differences between the two is their grain size and how fast they cool down. Basalts cool down more quickly. Gabbros, slow cooling. This is what makes their grain more coarse. Number 6. Obsidian. Obsidian is often referred to as natural glass. It is an extrusive rock. Obsidian is strong and can be molded easily with the right tools. It has been used for centuries to make arrowheads, knives, scrapers, spear points and other tools and weapons. Number 7. Pegmatite. Pegmatite is formed underground. It is unique because it has large interlocking crystals. They are mostly found in the form of sheets of rocks. They are found in close proximity to large masses of igneous rocks which are also referred to as batholiths. These rocks are formed through a process of crystallization and cooling of intrusive rocks. They are considered to be one of the most valuable rocks because of its small quantity. They are used for making electronic device components, circuit boards, retardation plates and optical filters amongst other things. Number 8. Peridotite. Peridotite is the densest coarse-grained igneous rock. It consists mostly of different types of minerals, though the main minerals are pyroxene and olivine. It's an intrusive rock. They are considered valuable because they contain a precious mineral known as chromite. This is the only ore that is converted into the end product chromium. They are considered to be rich sources for diamonds. They are also used as an important material for sequestering or isolating carbon dioxide. Number 9. Pumice. Pumice is light-colored and porous. It is found in the deepest portions of the ocean floor. It is known for its rough texture and has a volcanic glass-like appearance. Pumice has many uses: landscaping, hair removal, oil diffusion, cleaning of oven, cleaning legs and removing corns and calluses. It also finds regular use in different consumer applications and industrial applications. Number 10. Rhyolite. Rhyolite and granite have very similar chemical composition. In the past it was used for making different types of stone tools, blades, scrapers, and also different types of projectile points. Currently it is commonly used to help crush stones. It is found in volcanic arcs in places where crustal rocks become subducted. This happens under the pressure of continental crust. It eventually melts into light magma that is rich in silica. Number 11. Fire opal. Fire opal rocks come in different bright colors. The most valuable color is red, followed by yellow and orange. Fire opals are popular with those who believe in astrology and other common superstitious things. It is formed through a solution of water and silicon dioxide. When water runs its course, it carries sandstone and silica, and the silica-rich solution is deposited in voids and cracks. These cracks are caused by natural faults or through decomposing fossils. When the water evaporates, it leaves silica deposit, fire opal. Number 12. Scoria. Scoria is porous, similar to the pumice, but denser. It comes in dark brown, dark purple, dark red or black. They are closely related to basalt in their chemical compositions. The many small holes come from the gases located in the magma-forming bubbles. The reason scoria is heavier and denser than pumice is because its walls are thicker around the air pockets. It has a number of commercial uses and also works as a high-temperature insulating materials. It is also used in drainage and landscaping, and other related purposes. Number 13. Welded tuff. Welded tuff is made of compressed volcanic ash. It is often compared to sandstone. Once it is ejected and deposited after a volcano's eruption, the ash gets compacted and becomes a solid rock. This process is referred to as consolidation. It also contains 50% tuff and therefore is also referred to as a tuffaceous rock. Since it is a tough rock, it has been used for construction since ancient times. It is commonly found in Italy, and this perhaps is the reason why Romans used it for construction. Number 14. Granodiorite. Granodiorite is an intrusive rock. It has quite a few similarities to granite. It can be commonly found in large sheets. It is mostly used as a crushing stone and as road building materials. It also is used in the construction industry. Many people also use it as an ornamental stone and also for the purposes of paving. Number 15. Porphyry. Porphyry can come in many different colors. Black, red, pink, and tan are some of the common ones. Its most distinguishing characteristic is that it can have many large crystals fused inside of it. The larger crystals are sometimes made of quartz or other igneous rocks. It is quarried all over the world, but Italy has rich deposits of the rock. It is in high demand because of its compressive strength, toughness and durability. These attributes make it the perfect paving stone. Number 16. Comatite. Comatite is a very old igneous rock going back to the Proterozoic and Archean ages. It is composed of partially melted mantled. It is found in reasonably large quantities. Comatite is valuable because in 1960 it was found that it is a rich source of nickel sulfide mineralization. Today, comatite accounts for almost 14% of the total world's production of nickel. It is mostly produced in South Africa, Canada, Australia and also the Guinea Shield of South America. Number 17. Anorthosite. Anorthosite is a monomineralic, intrusive rock. A rock is considered monomineralic when it's at least 90 to 100% made up of one mineral, and authors it is 90% plagioclase feldspar, the other 10% are other mineral deposits. This rock is rich in aluminium. It is regularly used for studies of universal planets like Venus, Mars and various other meteorites. Number 18, Kimberlite. This is one of the most exciting rocks that belong to the igneous rock family. It has got its name from the town of Kimberley in South Africa. Kimberley shot into prominence in 1869 because of the discovery of a large-sized diamond of 83.5 carat. However, worth mentioning that today kimberlite is also found in many other countries of the world. It also is referred to as blue ground. This is because of the dark, colored and intrusive igneous rock formation. In some cases, the rock matrix could have diamonds embedded inside it. It is used for various purposes and is considered one of the best options when it comes to delivering diamonds through the crust. This is done through magnetic intrusions. Number 19, Latite. This is an igneous and volcanic rock and it has a unique ephyric porphyritic and aphanitic ephyric texture. The main minerals are alkali feldspar and plagioclase, and they are both available in equal amounts. It also has quartz, but the concentration is less than 5%, and there are also other materials like biotite. It is found in abundance in western North America. It is also found in Bulgaria, where it is known by the name lavas. It comes generally in pink, gray, white and yellow colors. Monzonite is the volcanic equivalent of latite. It is commonly used in the construction industry. It also finds extensive use in the making of pig iron and steel. It helps in processing iron ore. Those in the cement industry and dolomite and magnesium manufacturers are making good use of latite. Number 20, pyroxenite. This is an ultrafamic igneous rock and is made of some important minerals. The most important minerals are those belonging to the pyroxene group. These include diopside, augite, bronzite, enstatite and hypersthene. It is found in large quantities in and around the Hudson River, North Carolina. It also can be found in Baltimore, New Zealand and also in Saxony. South Africa and Zimbabwe also have reasonably large concentrations of pyroxenite. It has very wide usage and is one of the most preferred stones for decorative aggregators, countertops, kitchens, interior decoration. Many also use it as facing stone and building stone. It is quite popular as a curbing stone. It also is used as commemorative tablets, cemetery markers and much more. For even more igneous rock types and uses, check out the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. For more informational videos about the variety of nature, feel free to subscribe. You can also visit us at outsidetype.com.